All right, we're ready for the last game of the day. South Texas and Saskatoon. This one about to get underway. No injuries yet. We'll probably see a million. What is Lindback doing on the Blizzard lineup sheet? That should be Steve Shields. Anyways, Carter Hart for Saskatoon. Malcolm Subban for South Texas. He had a great game last week. Anyways, this one is underway. Player meets puck. And a shot save. And a big stop by Subban on the... Oh, no! It's a board bounce. No goal. A quick board bounce that goes in favor of South Texas. Not in Saskatoon. Anyways, 9 seconds into the game, we already had one of that. Score! Right off the bat, Kyle Okposo makes it 1-0 Blizzard. Kyle Okposo takes the face-off, then just whips a shot. It stays on the ice the entire time. It never leaves the ice, and it just finds ways. Like I've said 1,000 times, it's not always about shot power. It's about shot location. And he got it there. Also, a shot stopped. Everyone believed the puck went out of bounds, but they'll keep the play going in a big shot and a big save. Here's Okposo again, blocked by his own guy. And now it's thrown back to Sharp and a save. They'll pass it around a bit. And a blast from Lucic save. Score! It bounced in! Daniel Alfredsson fires it home as Hart mishandled the puck. And just like that, the game is tied.
Come with me now. Come with me now.
Well, that was fast, wasn't it? Daniel Alfredsson ties it up. It was a bit of a weaker shot, but he got just enough. And it's a goal. That's his third of the year. South Texas has got to have the best goal song in the league. Do they not? I mean, it's so good. The horn sucks. The song is great, though. Kovalchuk threw it away. Saskatoon wanted a line play. They're trying to let stuff go, but they'll really only call the obvious stuff. Back to Kovalchuk. He shoots. This time, Hart able to handle it. That looked very similar to the Alfredsson shot. And that didn't go out of bounds, apparently. They're trying to keep the play moving. There's another save. Here's Lucic in the circle. He's putting it right on the dot. Aww. There's a shot by Sharp and another save by Malcolm Subban. There's a wide shot from Ilya Kovalchuk. Carter Hart didn't even have to move to get that one. Great lead pass to Began, but the shot was put wide. They'll pass it around a lot. Alfredsson whips a shot on goal and a save. Lucic whips one as well. Megan taps it out of bounds. You know, we had a pretty fast start to the game with 2 goals pretty much right away, but since then there hasn't been much to go around. South Texas wearing their regular white home jerseys. The Blizzard in their regular gray ones, which in this case are black bricks. And we got a penalty coming up to South Texas. Goaltender is leaving for the extra attacker. That means Gregory Campbell. He doesn't have the puck right now. Here's Sharp. Gave it to Campbell. He fires a save. The goaltender is pulled for the extra man, so unless they get unlucky, they're prolonging the power play, and they touch up finally. The penalty will be on Patrick Sharp. South Texas penalty, number 17, minor penalty for roughing. Minor penalty roughing, so now the Blizzard are headed to a power play. The first one of the game. There really hasn't been any more than one power play a game. Here we go. First power play opportunity for Saskatoon. A shot was stopped by Subban. They'll pass it around a little bit. Milan Lucic gets it and shoots a stop. It comes back. Never mind. It hits the line. And a big shank from Wade Megan. They'll kill more time. Penalty will last till 10 seconds left in the period. And a good, well-timed shot from Patrick Sharp. Just couldn't find the back of the net. And pass it around some more. Here's Lucic. He blasts one to stop. Here's Okposo. Scored on the power play. Kyle Okposo puts Saskatoon right back in the lead. It's 2-1. Oh boy. Kyle Okposo, second of the game. Saskatoon now up 2-1. And hold on a second, everybody. We'll be back momentarily. All right, we're back. Let's quickly face it off. 2-1 the score in favor of the Saskatoon Blizzard. 37 seconds. Megan a shot, save, rebound, Okposo trying for that first period hat trick. And the puck rolls away before rolling back. It goes into the corner where Lucic now grabs a hold of it. Fires from his own goal line. That was actually a very well-targeted shot. Threw it away again. Lucic save. And another save for Subban there that time on Wade Megan. Danny Alfredson a shot save. And there's another stop. And another save. A lot of rush shots in this game for both sides. There's one out the side of the net. Kovalchuk fires one on to save. That's going to be a line play. We got a penalty coming up against South Texas again. Daniel Alfredson this time headed to the box. South Texas penalty number 12. Minor penalty for a line play. Saskatoon headed to the power play again. Their second power play opportunity of the period. There's still 3 seconds left. The penalty will last till 2:03 of the next period. And they threw it away in a shot save, and the period comes to an end. With Saskatoon up 2-1 and on the power play for 57 more seconds. All right, we are back for period number 2. About to face it off. 57 seconds to go on this Saskatoon power play. 2-1 the score. As we begin, period number 2. Okposo a shot saved. South Texas has to run time. Puck is sitting on the line. It goes back into the corner. And it rolls away. Okposo across. Sharpest shot. Subban turns him away. There's not a pass and another turnover, but bounces away. Kovalchuk a quick shot and a save by Hart, who didn't even have to move. That one hits the post. And it's on the line. All alone up ahead is Megan, and he fires, and Subban made the save. Kovalchuk a quick shot save. Threw it away again, another save. That was nearly a power play goal for the goalie. 20 seconds to go on this power play. Saskatoon still up by 1. Here's Lucic. Fires from long range, a save. He tries again and hits the post. Megan again all alone, another save, and it bounces out of bounds with 8 seconds left on the penalty. 2:11 to play here in this second period. Across, Sharp scored on the power play. It's 3-1, and Saskatoon cashes in yet again. Patrick Sharp makes it 3-1. They're 2 for 2 on the power play. Great shot by Patrick Sharp. This is no cookie either. He floats this high, and it has some velocity. And it goes top shelf, and Saskatoon has 3 power play goals in this game. Here's Sharp again. Gave it up, threw it away, and a shot save again. They threw it back, and another save. And that took a deflection on goal and another stop. Here's Okposo. Or I never switched the lineup cards. Oh, no, I did. Never mind. I got confused for a moment. Okposo on goal. He just whipped that thing. Across to Sharp again to stop. Sharp threw it back, and they pass it around some more. And a shot by Megan and stopped. Sharp a rebound save. Alfredson has it turned into the corner. Across. Sharp a save again. And we just whipped that on goal and another stop. Another save is made again, that time on Lucic. He gets it back, however. Lucic scores! Milan Lucic makes it a 1-goal game with 81 seconds to go in period number 2. 3-2 now. This isn't the greatest of shots, but it works out. Again, shot location over shot power. flat on the ice. It fools Carter Hart. He thinks it's going right at him. Nope. To his left side. 3-2. 3-2. 81 seconds left in the period. Here's Alfredson, a shot. It's turned into the corner. Here's Okposo. Oh, that's just sharp. This is Okposo. Now fires. A stop is made. There's another one on goal. The stop is made. Another line play here. Oh, what a save by Hart. Still down in the crease. Now he gets up. Okposo whips one. Another stop is made. Sharp, a blast. And another save. A ripper from Alfredson that time. And turned away again by Carter Hart. Right around 50 seconds, and Subban made the save with his butt. And now in behind the net, Kovalchuk is there, and the Rebels will reset. Great pass, shot off the post, and it took a deflection. Megan went to block that time. And that one's thrown back. Here's Okposo, blast save, and it goes out. And your guess is as good as mine as to where that puck went. And behind the bed? No. He's here? No. In there? No. Yeah, folks, your guess is as good as mine. We'll be right back. 3-2 the score. 30 seconds to go. Period number 2. Saskatoon trying to take a lead into second intermission. Comes back. Another stop. Goalie plays it out to Megan, who whips one and a save again. And Lucic, sideways shot, not going anywhere. Sharp, completely misfired. And the puck crossed the line before Megan could get it. Great pass to Alfredson and a shot save. Kovalchuk, another try. Carter Hart with a save. Oh my goodness! That was a trash goal by Milan Lucic. But take the goals wherever you can get them. 6.4 seconds. That is crushing for Saskatoon. That was just a dump-in. How does that go in? That is unacceptable. Inexcusable on Carter Hart's part. That is just a dump-in. It was a pass up ahead to Alfredson. But it missed him and it went in. 3-3 the score. That is inexcusable. 3-3 the score, 6 seconds for the period. And the puck rolls away. Kovalchuk, a shot stopped. Okposo trying to beat the buzzer. He would have had that gone in, but it did not. So, Lucic with the goal at the end of the period. We're all square at 3. We'll be right back. There we go. Period 3 about to start. Drew Bannister's team tied the game with 6.4 seconds to go in the period. 3-3 the score. Anyways, here's the draw. To Saskatoon, a shot save. Lucic across to Kovalchuk. He fires, offside he goes on the shot. Oh, Ilya Kovalchuk just went flying on that shot. I don't know how, but he just did. 7 seconds into the period. Face-off goes to Saskatoon. Okposo threw it back. Oh, it's a goal again! South Texas has all the momentum. Subban made the save. And the second straight trash goal for South Texas. They lead 4-3. It's 4-3. Unreal. South Texas has all the momentum. They have it all in their favor right now. And they got to take advantage of that momentum. It's just a save by Subban, and it rolls all the way back and into the net. Completely legal. Malcolm Subban, second straight game with a goal. That is his second consecutive game with a goal. We're only 13 seconds into the period. And there's a quick shot save. Here's the pass across. Lucic having a little trouble. He fires. A stop is made. Subban, that one nearly was in. Here's Alfredson, a stop again with 2:36. The Rebels come all the way back from 3-1 down to take a 4-3 lead on the Blizzard. Here's the draw. A shot off the post. And that's turned over again. Turned aside by Carter Hart. Here's Sharp. A shot. Saved. Now here's Okposo. Drive, save. That wasn't much of a drive, was it now? Here's Alfredson, a save. Milan Lucic pulls it off the boards. Another stop. Okposo fires just wide. Comes back. That rolls in. Oh, it's going to be an own goal. Unbelievable. Carter Hart puts it into his own net. It would have been a board bounce had he not just played it. And it's 5-3. And Brett Hull is calling a timeout.
Come with me now.
4 consecutive goals. I'm not even sure who's going to get credit. It was an own goal. It's 5-3. Timeout Saskatoon. Brett Hull has seen enough. He calls a timeout. All right, we'll be right back shortly. After reviewing the play, the puck completely crossed the line after bouncing off the boards. Carter Hart tapped it afterwards. Therefore, there is no goal. The game clock is correct, and Saskatoon is not charged with a timeout as the replay officials stopped the game. It does not count. They went back and looked at it and determined it is not a goal because the puck bounced in off the boards. So instead of it being 5-3 South Texas, it is back to 4-3. That is a killer if you're South Texas. You thought you had a 2-goal lead. But that's now taken away. And it remains 4-3. Score will remain 4-3. I thought it was a goal, but they looked at it, and now Saskatoon isn't charged a timeout. Drew Bannister thought about challenging it himself. There's a shot blocked. Across to Lucic. He shoots a save. Got it up ahead. Block again by Megan. Across to Sharp. Another save. They get it back, however. And a drive. Save again. And oh, that almost went in. That was literally a throw from the side of the net. And an offside called on South Texas. With a $1:49 left in regulation time. 4-3 the score in favor of the Rebels. They win the draw. Sharp a shot. Save. Rebound wide. Here's Lucic again. Across. Alfredson whips one. A save. And a big whiff. And oh, how did that not go in? He had an open side. That puck bounces. What a save, Subban. 90 seconds to go. The Rebels continue to lead. There's another shot turned away, and that puck takes a bounce and goes out. He meant to bounce it off the boards, but it took a weird deflection and went out of bounds. Saskatoon wants to delay a game. They're not getting one, though. 82 seconds. Still a 1-goal game in favor of South Texas. There's a shot save and a big block by his own teammate, I think. No, it wasn't. It was blocked by Alfredson and it bounced back and then hit Wade Megan. Megan has the puck and he shoots it no good. We're down to a minute to go. Puck sitting on the line. South Texas gets it right back. Nearly threw it in his own net. Here's Sharp. Turned away again. 55 seconds to go. Puck winds up on the line. South Texas gets the bounce. 50 seconds. They're not pulling the goaltender yet. Whips a shot. It does not go. And a quick shot. Oh, he waited too long. It would have been a goal. 40 seconds. The goalie's going to try it and a save. Bounces back to the Rebels. Threw it away. Goaltender is gone. Greg Campbell is out as the extra attacker. Shot, save. Saskatoon maintains possession. Here's the pass across. Sharp. What a save by Subban. 20 seconds to play. Here's Megan. He missed the shot. Another try and another save. And Lucic misses the empty net. 12 seconds. And a shot is blocked off. Down to 10 seconds to play. And a score! Kyle Okposo ties the game with 5.7 to go. Talk about clutch. 4-4 the score. The second time a team has tied the game with less than 10 seconds to go today. Unbelievable stuff. 4-4 the score. And we're likely heading into overtime again. 4-4. Wow. 5.7 on the clock. Here's the draw. Puck stays on the line. Still on the line. Here's another shot. Save, and that appeared to be a board bounce. I think they ought to take a look at this. 0.4 on the clock. They say no goal, and the play is going to be reviewed. They will take a look at it. 4-4 the score, man. If this counts as a goal, tell you what, these fans are going to throw everything they've got on the ice. After video review, it was a board bounce, no goal. The game clock is correct, and we'll start on the next face-off. 0.4. Unless they get incredibly lucky, we're going to overtime with a 4-4 score for the second time today. Hopefully there's no 5 overtimes or whatever we had in the last game. 0.4, game over. And the shot was blocked by Lucic. We'll be right back for overtime. Here we go. Hopefully we have no 5 overtime games. 90 seconds on the clock, 2-on-2. First goal wins the game. If we're still tied, we go to a second, third, and so on. You guys know how it works by now. This is our 4th overtime game of the year. Here's the face-off. We're underway. Quick shot and a save. Overtime is a game of control, and Saskatoon wanted an offside. They're not getting one. And a high shot and a save by Carter Hart. The centermen sit out overtime. It's just the 2 wingers that play overtime. The puck takes a weird bounce and oh, that just missed. That didn't miss by much. Here's a turnaround shot. That didn't miss by much either. A couple of big misses. And there's another save. Here's Okposo again. He whiffs, or he fired wide. And there's another save. I thought this was a game of control. No? Guess not. And now here's Sharp. He fires blocked. He'll try again. Another save. Here's Milan Lucic. He shoots. Save again by Carter Hart. Oh, it took a deflection. He had a wide open net. And now a great pass. That didn't miss by much either. Saskatoon's missing, but not by much. There's another save. Here's Kovalchuk. He fires a stop. Kept alive. The puck's thrown away, and Saskatoon or South Texas will take it in behind and allow themselves a chance to reset. And a long shot. Net comes off. You get it back on. There's another save. And oh, he just missed. Kyle Okposo didn't miss by much. He has not missed by much at all in this overtime. There's another block. 20 seconds to go in overtime. Here's Kovalchuk, a save. Okposo. Or no, that was Sharp. Now he fires another one and a save. 10 seconds to go. And oh, a good save by Hart there. Threw it away again, a save. 3 seconds. Looks to fire, he shanks it. 1 second left to save, or he missed the shot. And the last second opportunity to stop. And we're going to a second overtime. God help my soul. All right, second overtime. Here we go again. We're going to have another 5 overtime game, aren't we? I don't need this. This is the 7th overtime period played today. We had 1 game go to 5. This one's gone to 2 so far. There's a face-off win. Sharp missed. And now Subban in trouble in the corner. Gave it to his teammate. And a shot deflected over the glass. That would have been deadly, but Patrick Sharp got a piece and it went over the glass. That would have been a deadly shot from Milan Lucic, but instead we remain tied at 4-4. And a shot off the draw. Goalie stuck in the net. He's lucky the puck bounced to their team. A pass to himself. And Sharp missed the net, but not by much. Once again, Saskatoon is not missing by much. You gotta think one of them will hit the net soon. Here's Okposo, another save. The puck's there. Hart not throwing it in his own net. There's a block and a deflection away. Good play by Patrick Sharp to ensure that the puck doesn't go in his own net. Lucic out of position. He fires one sideways to stop. Sharp, no. Not a very sharp shot. And another good save. Here's Okposo. He shoots another stop by Subban. There's another save. Here's Kovalchuk again. He fires no. Sharp has it again. Okposo, another save. And that takes a deflection and goes away. Here's Lucic. Oh, that was a deadly rip. 25 seconds to go. Easy block. Oh, what a save! Carter Hart. Ilya Kovalchuk had the wide open net. He can't believe it. Here's a Pozo, and it takes a deflection and goes over the glass. What a save by Hart. Oh, my Lord. We're still going. 15 seconds. That goes out with 14 seconds. I wonder if South Texas is going to use a timeout as the draws in their end. They're not doing that. 14 seconds. Here's a draw shot. Oh, it goes in off the goalie. Game over. Blizzard win. In double overtime. That is how the game is won. A lucky goal by the goalie, who had done terribly the whole game. The final score in overtime, Blizzard 5, Rebels 4. Please stand by for your player of the game. A double overtime victory for Saskatoon, 5-4. Great game once again with 12 seconds to go in it. The shot was stopped and it rolled all the way back and into the net. And to cap off the night, the Blizzard win in double overtime. Ladies and gentlemen, this evening's player of the game from the Blizzard with 3 goals in the game, including the game-tying goal, Red Wing number 21, Kyle Okposo. So the away team wins for the 7th time to just 3 for home teams. That's I don't know how the away teams keep. It's basically like if you're on the road, you get an automatic win apparently. I'll tell you what, if that goal didn't get called back in the 3rd period, the Rebels win this game. But instead, they get a point in the standings, but they fall to the Saskatoon Blizzard 5-4. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.